Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs with a strainer. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need very fresh eggs, a fine mesh strainer, and a pot. Fill your pot with about 3 inches of water. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, ensuring it's not boiling vigorously. This gentle heat is crucial for perfectly cooked eggs. Have a slotted spoon ready for retrieval. Now, let's prepare the egg. Crack 1 egg directly into your fine mesh strainer. Hold the strainer over a bowl to catch any excess liquid. Allow the very thin, watery part of the egg white to drain away for about 30 seconds. This simple trick removes the wispy bits, ensuring your poached egg has a beautiful, compact shape. It makes a big difference in the final presentation. With your water at a gentle simmer, carefully lower the strained egg into the pot. You can use the strainer to guide it in, then gently release it. Cook the egg for approximately 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk and firm whites. If you prefer a firmer yolk, cook it for a little longer. Remember not to overcrowd the pot. Poach 1 or 2 eggs at a time for best results. Once your egg is cooked to your liking, carefully remove it from the water using a slotted spoon. Gently place the poached egg on a paper towel-lined plate for a few seconds to absorb any excess water. This prevents a watery plate. Season your perfectly poached egg with a pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper. Serve it immediately on toast, avocado, or your favorite dish. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.